Hi, I'm Christine Thompson. I'm co-founder and master colorist at Spoken Wheel. I like using the K18 Pro chelating complex because it ensures that I'm not going to get any reactions from metals or minerals in the hair and that the hair is going to be beautiful, healthy, and vibrant. It's highly effective. It works in a very short period of time, and it gives me a nice clean canvas to work on for beautiful color. Here's how I use it in a lightening service. We're going to take Henley, a bright, beautiful vanilla blonde. She currently has a lot of discoloration throughout the ends. It's very brassy, has kind of a golden color through the ends. We want to just brighten it all up overall and kind of give the illusion of a double process. First, I want to make sure I shake the bottle really well. Then I turn the trigger to the on position. I like to section it into 4 quadrants so I get even distribution of the product. I want to make sure it hits all the strands. On average, somebody will use about 6 to 10 sprays per section. I'm going to use closer to 10 sprays for her hair because of the length and the density. So I want to make sure that I apply the chelator evenly so each strand comes in contact with the product. I'm just going through, I don't need to be really precise. I'm just going through and just applying. Well, before, it used to take me an hour to prep, do a demineralizer. So now I love the K18 chelator because it's a 4-minute wait time instead of the hour it used to take me. It dries very quickly, as you can see from the one side to the other side. So this is the side I started on. And you can see that this side's actually, it's already dried into the hair. It doesn't need to be fully saturated, just really more about being evenly distributed. And it's nice because the sprayer, the way that it sprays helps with that. Now I'm gonna go in with the K18 mist. I'm gonna go ahead and go into the same 4 quadrants that I did previously. And I'm gonna apply my mist right over the top of the chelator. The K18 mist is extremely important for somebody who has previously lightened their hair because their integrity, the strength of their hair, the elasticity has been affected by the previous color. So it's really important to reverse that damage before I start. I'm never really concerned about overusing the mist. I would rather have too much mist than not enough mist. I'm gonna go ahead and perform my lightening service and then wash as usual with the K18 Detox shampoo. Towel dry, apply K18 Pro mask, wait 4 minutes, then style as usual. So the result of using the Pro chelating hair complex is that it gives me a nice clean palette to work on without the unexpected surprises. I love this formula because it reduces 7 different types of metals and minerals in just 4 minutes. My clients leave with beautiful, shiny, vibrant hair.